San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Karnes County, central Atascosa County, southwestern Wilson County, until 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Poteet, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pleasanton, Floresville, Jefferson, Poteet, Fall City, Lemming, Coy City, Greytown. A severe thunderstorm was located at 8 and 5, Joeysville, McCoy, and Rossville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall. Entries. Where? Locations impacted include Pleasanton, Floresville, Jefferson, Poteet, Fall City, Lemming, Coy City, Greytown, Coffin, Dabrowski, Espy, and Fine, Joeysville, McCoy, and Rossville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.